Now today we will see how to connect servo motor, how to interface servo motor, how to work with servo motor. So servo motor, if you see, there are three wires. One is in brown color, one is in red color, another is in yellow color. Brown is ground, red is VCC, orange is your input signal, data signal, output signal. Input for your motor, output for your RPM. So now I have to connect these two. Okay, let's start the connections. Let's see. This is my pin diagram of my node MCU. So I can connect anywhere. Previously, accelerometer we have seen that we have connected to D0. Now I decided to connect at D1. So what is D1? If you see D1 here, D1 is GPIO 5 pin. So in programming, GPIO 5 I have to use. 5th pin I am connecting. D1 means 5th pin of your node MCU. Remember, D1 means 5th pin of your node MCU. Why I am showing this means it will be useful now. Now let's start the connections. Okay. So that is my brown one. Brown one means ground. So I am connecting to my ground pin of my node MCU connected. Now that is my red. Red means VCC, that is 5 volts. So connected to 3.3 volts of my node MCU VCC connected. So this is my data. Okay, data means that is my. I decided to connect a D1. So connected. Okay. Let's start the programming. It's a better way. Go to file, examples. Now you can see here servo motor. Okay, servo, see already. Okay, now by opening the sweep program, you can see this. Okay, we will discuss this again. What is this for loop? Okay, now we will write a simple program. Let's remove these all comments. Here we are including this X file. Header file of my servo motor, and I am calling my servo as my servo. These are all predefined functions we are using, like servo my servo dot attach. I want to use a D1. Okay, so you have seen I have shown you D1 is a pin number 5. So this pin number 5 we are using now. This pin number GPIO 5 is my D1 digital pin 1. Okay, fine. Just I am removing this. We will see this again. First now I will write a very simple program. What is the simple program I want to write this? Let first we will make a 0 degrees shift. 1 second. And come to 90 degrees position. 1 second. This will be continuous. Okay. If you see the previous my servo dot write, I have to write text my servo dot. Do that. My servo dot write. First I want to make that 0 degrees. Some delay, 1 second delay will be right. Okay. And 90 degrees then again 1 second. Let's see this. 90 degrees. And 1 second. Upload this. And by uploading you can see here errors also. It is compiling its sketch. So now it is uploading, means it is verified. If it is verified, if no errors are there, then only it will upload. Okay, now it is uploading 52%. Let's see the output. It is at 0 degrees. Let's see the next one. Okay, I'm disconnecting this. Let's see the for loop. What I said is I will explain that for loop, right? Let's see that. Why to explain that? We will write our own for loop. Okay. Sir, you are making 0 degrees, 90 degrees sharply, but I want 0 to 90 slowly it should turn. Again 90 to 0, again it should turn. Your wish. How you can write? You just write a for loop. For that int I, otherwise you declare outside. Globally you can declare or locally you can declare, that is your wish. Now I declare very type. Okay. First step, I is equal to 0 I am doing. Not double equal to, single equal to you have to do because it is assignment. I is equal to 0. Okay. I plus plus, I am incrementing every time. If I is less than 90 and up to 90, for loop I think everyone knows. What is this for loop says? This is a condition. My condition is if it is less than 90, then keep in the, we will be in this for loop. I've started my I value from 0. Every time I'm incrementing by 1. I am incrementing by 1. Okay, sir. Then see my servo.writer. My servo.writer. Okay. But now no need of delay because every continuously I am sending the value. What value I am sending? See, I value I am sending. First I 0, it will be at 0. Then I value 1, it will slowly turn to 1. Then 2 degrees, 3 degrees, 4 degrees, 5 degrees, 90 degrees. Then I want to come back to 0. Okay, sir, you can do that. Okay, you can do that. See, let's start with 90. I is equal to 90. Now instead of plus, now you minus. Both I am sure. Your wish. How you can write? I less than 0. Sorry. Now here not less than, right? Greater than. Because I value is greater than 0, I am sure. So continuously So first it will move to will tell you address. Here I declare it as local. You can declare it as global also. Okay. Outside here you can declare outside of C. Perfect. No errors are there in my code, so it is uploaded. Okay. Then it is uploaded. Now what you can see, right? This is very fastly moving. I want to. This is very fastly moving. I want to see very clearly. So I included a very small delay of 10 milliseconds every time. So 0 degrees, 10 milliseconds it will wait. 1 degree, 2 degree, 1 degree, 10 milliseconds. 2 degree, 10 milliseconds. 3 degree, 10 milliseconds. Slowly it will reach to 90 and then slowly it will come down. I can observe output very clearly. Let's see this. Whether it is now it is compiling. Okay. This way you have to write the codes. You have to say uploading. Do not copy from internet because if you write, understand the code because examples are there and change the code accordingly what you are requiring. If you write the code, then you whenever you stuck, you can understand. This is the code. You will see the output. Output you can see very clearly. Slowly it will reach to 90. And you can go to 9.9. Perfectly you can see here. Perfectly 0 to 90 degrees and 90 degrees. Perfect.